Alright guys, I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be a really easy and simple makeup look without using any eyeshadow. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I pull this off, just keep watching. So I haven't done anything to my face, so we're going to go on. We're going to clean up the brows and all of that good stuff and put some moisturizer on our skin, and we're going to jump right into the foundation. Okay. Do this to our brows, and the brow pencil I'm going to be using is by the Tattoo Studio Maybelline, and this is a really dark brown, so it's not going to be too light. Actually, it shouldn't be too light. Let's take a look. Nope, it's perfect. So we're just going to keep this really simple. Okay, and for the moisturizer, we're going to use Clinical Works. And this is some really intensive deep moisture serum. This is some really good stuff. And I got this in one of my BOXY charm, I believe it was. So we're just going to put some on the skin. And then we're going to go in with some primer. This is really optional. You don't have to put primer on before you put your foundation on. This is just optional. But this is by Touch and Soul Glassy. This is some really good primer. Actually, it's primer and moisturizer in one. And all it takes is a little bit, if you guys can see that. It's really thick. Gonna rub it in our hands. And we're just going to rub it on the face. Okay, the foundation I'm going to be using is Fitme, and this is in the number 338 Spicy Brown. And all I just do is just put a little bit on the back of my hand just to warm the foundation up a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to take this foundation and I'm just going to put little dots all over the skin. And Fitme, you could pretty much pick this foundation up at the drugstore, at the dollar store. You can find this anywhere. Okay, we're going to take a damp blender and we're just going to press this all into the skin. Okay, now that we got the foundation on, we're going to go in with some concealer. And we're going to use the LA Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Fawn. And I like to just conceal up under the eye. And I also like to get around the mouth. And we're just going to take this blender thing and use the pointy part and just blend this out. Just patting this into the skin all up under the eyes. Going on top of your eyelid. Just blend all of this out. And pretty much this concealer is just going to make your eyelid just look seamless with the rest of your face. And we're going to blend out around the mouth. Sometimes I think I'm like really dark around my mouth. And once you got this all blended out, I like to use setting powder. And that way, especially on the eyelid, because if you don't use setting powder, your concealer is going to crease up on top of your eyelid. So that's why I like to use powder whenever I use concealer. Got my favorite brush, and I just like to pick up a little bit, knock the excess off, and just press this into the skin. And then around the mouth, since we put some concealer around the mouth. And then I will get my other brush, this fluffy brush, take whatever I got left over, and swirl it into my brush, and just, and kind of like set my whole face. And for the blush, we are going to use my Lauramercier. I guess that's how you pronounce it. And this blush it has like some little shimmer in it. This is really nice. It's really soft and more on the neutral side. And I just swirl it around in there like that. And I take the big fluffy brush and I kind of like just blend this out. For the highlighter, I picked this up. This is Wet n Wild. You could pick this up at any drugstore, even the dollar store. And I just take this and just put that on there like that. Sometimes I get kind of heavy-handed with my highlighter, so I try not to go right into it. Aggressive. And I don't know why, I just like buffing my stuff, my makeup up, you know. I just like buffing my makeup, you know. That's just that. I just love to buff out my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some pink charcoal watermelon antioxidant face mist. And I got this in A1A or American Influencer Associates or something. But anyway, I like to spray my face before I put on mascara. Oh, that feels so good. Let all that powder just settle down some. For the eyeliner, we're going to use my Benefit liquid eyeliner, and we're going to do the top first. Okay guys, so for the mascara, I just got this in my BOXY charm, I think. And I don't know how you pronounce this word, but it's Good Vibes Mascara by TreStique or something like that. And it has this big old lash curler on here where, see how that's, I don't know how to operate that in. So I just keeps that like that, and this is some really good mascara. Let's go ahead and do our lashes. And then for the waterline, we are going to use my e.l.f. gel pencil. Absolutely love this. All right, and for the lips, we are going to use, let's see, we are going to use Wet n Wild Soft Coat eye pencil. No, it's not Wet n Wild, it's Rimmel. And we're just gonna line the lip. And this is a dark brown, by the way, chianti. We're gonna use the Dose of Color, and this is in the color Tough Cookie. And it smells just like a cookie. And this is like a nude color. It's so pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah, I like this. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know down below, what are your thoughts on this look. I think it's really nice and simple. It's really beginner friendly. It's nice. This is a nice everyday makeup look. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way every time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Alright guys, as always, I love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!